Hello, it's Jackie from Mercury here, and I'm pleased to share this video with you where I'll be looking at what's in version 35 of Mercury and why it matters to you. V35 is full of upgrades that will make your workflows faster, smarter and more candidate friendly. I'm going to share with you some of my favourites, but head over to the knowledge base for a full list of what's been done. First, timesheets has had a major overhaul. Admins can now edit candidate timesheets directly, so there's no more chasing for resubmissions. It means admin times will reduce and timesheets will be signed off faster. You can see forecast versus actual financial information for pay, charge, margin and markup, which makes it easier for you to plan and report on these key recruitment metrics. And it's got currency tracking built in. With the new timesheet charts, you get sharper financial insight. And we've introduced a drop-down for timesheet view, which means you've got everything in one place that you need. It's less clicking and more clarity. Spec sends can be crucial, especially in a candidate-rich market or for contractor recruiting businesses. The speed and quality with how you present your candidates can make the difference between making a placement and missing out. So in version 35, we've given you the ability to instantly change a spec send to an info record or a vacancy. And if it is a vacancy, Mercury will automatically build you a shortlist. It means faster placements, less admin, and better data quality. To make it easier for you to get in contact with your candidates, we're now giving you the flexibility to choose to show their work contact information. It will mean less missed opportunities and you'll get your candidates in front of hiring managers and into roles faster. Other highlights include UI enhancements across the Mercury platform, especially in compliance and placements. With clearer labels, simplified forms and improved consistency, validation and onboarding is now smoother than ever. Mercury version 35 is all about speed, clarity and smarter recruiting. Head over to the knowledge base for a full list of all items undertaken as part of this release and get ready to work smarter, not harder.